This is the large Bix burner. As you can see, it's about the same diameter as a can of pop. I ordered this with two orifices, a number 8 and a larger number 16. We're going to try it with the smaller one first. This burner is very large and I think intended for a large vertical boiler. I'm simply going to use it on this rather large hot air engine and we'll see how it works. By myself, but I'm going to try. Woo! Okay, so there's why you don't do that at home. Should do it outside, or at least not be holding a camera. Just burned a few hairs on my hand there, as you can see. So there's a little warning. Things happen when you play with steam. Next time I'll look for a tripod. Anyways, you can see that's a very hot flame. And it's only been on for maybe 30 seconds, so we'll just see how long it takes to heat up. And there we have it. A lot of light coming in today, so see if we can get a good picture of it. There's the pump finally. See if I can get a good picture of that. Maybe it's a little hard to see that pumping. It's a pretty large engine. The flywheel is probably 8 inches in diameter. When it came, it was painted a very ugly yellow. I sandblasted it and painted it red. I think it looks a little better. I thought I'd leave the lovely turquoise blue original. Just shows its age. Probably came from the 50s or 60s. I remember that as a very popular appliance color from that era. So there we have it. Works very well. You can see the nice hot burner. So I really like the Bix burner. Hopefully I'll buy some other engines that need a burner that big, so I get to use it for more than just this, but this will be a nice engine to take to shows and be able to display. I think that this will be one that the wind won't keep blowing the burner out. There's a little door to slide shut here. So that'll help prevent it from blowing out. So as you can see, works very well with that burner. And just don't make the same stupid mistake I made. First of all, you can't find these lighters anymore that don't have this stupid safety thing on it, which really causes problems. I was trying to light it and I guess I didn't have that pushed enough. Anyways, shouldn't have been trying to hold the camera and do that, but one of life's lessons, and maybe a little humor for the viewers. Thanks for watching my video.